KTN News, Nairobi.
Thank you very much, Emmanuel. To some sad news, 2 artisanal miners from Masiyenza village, Ikomani, Kakamega County, have been confirmed dead after they suffocated inside a mine, a gold mine. Fellow artisanal miners and residents are alarmed of a rise in such cases, and they're now calling for use of modern mining equipment. And as Alan Ochanda reports, the incident comes just a month after miners were locked in a disagreement with a foreign investor over the latter's plans to start mining activities that would see more than 8,000 residents vacate the area.
Death in gold mines in Ikomani, Kakamega County have been a common occurrence now, with artisanal miners often losing lives while in line of duty. Masiyenza village is the latest to be thrown into mourning after 2 miners suffocated to death while inside the mines. The mines do not have sufficient oxygen supply, and to supplement that, they use special gas cylinders with pipes penetrating beneath the mines. They, however, had a faulty one, leading to the death of the 2.
So benye foreman aliingia, tulimungoja, alikawia. So operator alifuata kwenda kujua foreman ni kazi anafanya ama ni nini. Tena operator akapotelea huko. So tulichukua nafasi, tukachukua mtu mwenyako na experience. Tukamwambia aende step akisikiza. Wakati alienda, alifika katikati, akakutana na hiyo hewa, akapenduka haraka. Yeye ndiye alikuja kutujulisha huku ndani kuna hewa. Na kuanzia hapo ndio sasa tulijua hao wenye wako chini ni hewa imeshawashikia huko.
The 2, aged 38 and 39 years, were a foreman and a machine operator who, in line with mines protocol, first went to inspect their places of work, only to turn tragic, leaving their loved ones heartbroken.
Pokea tu habari mwendo wa saa 5:30 ati ameanguka kwa simu ya court.
The state of most mines in the area are not so good, as buckets tied on ropes are used to lower miners in twos into the dark holes with the use of torches. The holes, some as old as 50 years, have their vertical and horizontal walls and corridors reinforced with timber, and with time have worn out, exposing them to danger. Last month, a foreign investor came calling with the intention of setting up a gold refining factory for purposes of profitable and safer gold mining ventures. His point of departure with locals, however, was his proposal to have more than 8,000 of them vacate their ancestral lands.
Saa hii is very dangerous, ni hatari sana. Na jua ni ngumu kuacha, lakini tujaribu tuwezavyo. Sio rahisi na si kitu mzuri kupoteza maisha ya vijana wawili ama watatu, hata kama mmoja ama kuumia. Tafadhali muweke hii kitu kando, tuungoje kwanza. Hivi karibuni serikali inaweka mikakati ya kuwasaidia mregister kama cooperatives ili wasaidie katika ile vifaa ya kuweka pale chini ndio iwe safe.
The bodies of the 2 miners have already been retrieved and are lying at the Mukumu funeral home.